Do you guys love my hair? Isn't it so shiny? I cannot wait to tell you about this company called Morie. Miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this hair review. A company by the name of Moèrie reached out to me and wanted to send me their shampoo, their conditioner, their hair mask, as well as their ultimate growth spray. And of course I said yes. So I'm gonna be telling you about the company, showing you how I use the products, giving you a demo, and giving you my thoughts and opinions on these products. So let's jump right into it. So as I mentioned, a representative reached out to me from the company Moèrie, and they wanted to send me the shampoo, their conditioner, as well as their hair mask and their ultimate growth spray. Now really quickly, I had already seen this company on Instagram, and I had watched a fellow YouTuber's review of this hair company. So when they reached out to me, I had already had some products from them, and I was super excited to work with them because I was loving the results I was getting so far from using the products that I was using. So when they reached out to me, I said, of course I want to work along with you. And I was super excited, and so this video is in partnership with Moèrie. Thank you so much for working with me and letting me review your products. They are amazing. So now I'm gonna jump right into the video telling you about each product, how I used it, giving you a demo of how I used it, and explain how it works. So here is the packaging first when they sent it to me. First of all, I love the packaging. It's so sleek. It's very, very pretty. I absolutely love how it came. And so I was super excited to jump in and use the products. The first product that I use is their Mineral Hair Repair Shampoo. It has, as well as all of their products, they have 77 minerals, 5 vitamins, and 18 amino acids. All of those products help with rebuilding the hair and making the hair soft, smooth, shiny, and vibrant, as you can definitely see with my hair. But with the Mineral Hair Repair Shampoo, it is their enriched natural mineral shampoo. Deep cleanses each individual hair strand, removing harmful oils and toxins like silicones and parabens. In addition to cleansing, Moèrie shampoo also infuses hair with fulvic minerals, vitamins, and amino acids. So I definitely loved using the shampoo. I found that when I was shampooing my hair, as you can see from the clips, I found that my hair wasn't as stripped as it usually feels with pretty much all the shampoos that I use. Usually with other shampoos, my hair feels very stripped and very dry after just cleansing it even once. But with this shampoo, I felt like my hair felt healthy and it was clean, so it wasn't so stripped of, you know, your hair's natural oils that it naturally produces. So I felt like my hair was clean. It was nice and clean, but it was like a gentle cleansing. It wasn't like as rough. It was very gentle. And so I cleansed my hair twice with the shampoo, and then I went on to their conditioner. Now, with the Mineral Hair Repair Conditioner, it also has 77 minerals, 5 vitamins, and 18 amino acids. Their mineral conditioner formula softens the hair, making it silky and shiny. This special formula prevents frizzing and tangling and infuses each individual hair with a further dose of nutrients vital for healthy, vibrant hair. It says for maximum results, use it with the mineral shampoo. And definitely when I was using the conditioner, as you can see from the clips here, my hair felt so soft and smooth. After After I rinsed the conditioner out and gently detangled my hair, detangling my hair was such a breeze. And as you can see, you guys, I have very, very thick curly hair. I'll also mention that I did do a keratin treatment on my hair 2 weeks ago. So using these products, they came at the perfect time because my hair was starting to feel very dry because of the keratin treatment that I did. So using these products definitely helped my hair to feel much more softer and smoother, and detangling it was such a breeze, you guys. Of course, I section my hair when I detangle it because I have a lot of hair, but it was such a breeze detangling it, and my hair did feel very soft, smooth, and shiny after the conditioner. Now, I wanted a little bit more extra conditioning, so that's when I went in with the hair mask. Now, the Mineral Hair Growth and Repair Mask was developed to replicate a luxury salon treatment. It contains more than 125 active substances. Its special formula infuses each individual hair with the ultimate dose of minerals and vitamins, including fulvic acid and biotin. It repairs damaged hair while promoting healthy hair growth. So I used the Mineral Hair Growth and Repair Mask, left it on for about 15 minutes, did my shower. And then I detangled my hair. My hair was so easy to detangle, you guys. It was so soft, so smooth. And once again, just like with the conditioner, my hair felt so soft and shiny. It was definitely shiny when I looked in the mirror after I towel blotted my hair when I was done. It looked shiny, and my hair doesn't usually look shiny after I'm done, even just shampooing, conditioning, and using a hair mask. It doesn't usually look shiny and feel so soft and smooth. And it definitely did. Now let's jump right into the last product that I used, which was the Ultimate Growth Spray. Now with the Ultimate Mineral Hair Growth Serum Spray, it was designed by combining our experience with extensive feedback from Morie customers. Our unique and gentle formula features over 125 active substances and is highly effective in promoting hair growth, with results often visible after only the first bottle. With no rinse required, the long-lasting formulation works throughout the day for maximum effect. I love this growth spray. I feel like I'm going to definitely get another bottle once I run out. I already have 2 bottles. I'm gonna get another one. I love it. I feel like it definitely has helped my hair grow, especially towards the front, as you can see from the clips. When I'm done spraying my hair, especially around the hairline and the nape area, I like to give it an extra massage just so it massages into my scalp, and then I comb it out. I once again do sections. I did 4 sections when I was using the spray, simply because, as you all know, I have a lot of hair. So I want to make sure each section and all of my hair strands are covered, and I absolutely love this spray. It is probably one of my favorite products out of everything that I've used today. And when I styled my hair, I let it air dry after I finished using the spray, and then I very lightly blow dried my hair and did these flat iron curls. I felt like my hair was so soft and light, and it never feels that way with other products that I've used. It felt so soft, light, smooth, shiny, vibrant. I absolutely loved it. And the best part, my hair sheds, and when I use these products in conjunction with each other, I've noticed I only got like 2 or 3 strands on the comb, and that's like unheard of for my hair especially. Usually more hair comes out, because I have a lot of hair, and our hair we naturally lose hair every day. And with these products, I felt like I was losing less than I usually do. So overall, my hair felt so much softer, smoother, lighter, if you will, more vibrant, more shiny, just as the products claimed. And I absolutely love it. Another thing I will mention, on their website, which I highly suggest you all check out their website, they have so many products, and they have them also like in sets. So you can also purchase, let's say, the hair repair set, which is the shampoo, the conditioner, and the hair mask. You can definitely check them out. My coupon code, I will put it up on the screen right here, as well as in the description box down below. So make sure you check them out. I'm sure you will find some products that you will like. I also want to point out that on their website, it says our formula is proven positive for all hair types, whether you have straight, curly, wavy, frizzy hair, after procedures such as keratin treatments, Brazilian blowouts. The keratin treatment, which I mentioned, I did get 2 weeks ago. So using these products was perfect timing. Drained, exhausted hair caused by excessive coloring or bleaching, and hair loss or thinning due to menopause or pregnancy. Their formula is also very natural, and it's paraben-free, silicone-free, sulfate-free, GMO-free, DMDM-free, artificial fragrance-free, color-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. After 30 days, you're supposed to experience hair growth, so I'm definitely going to update you all on my community tab as well as on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me there, and make sure you are following me here on my channel. Make sure you subscribe. And their products promote hair growth, prevent hair loss, support and nourish the scalp, restore damaged hair follicles, add shine and softness, prevents shedding and dandruff. And I can honestly say with their products, my hair feels so much softer, smoother, healthier, and that was just after one use, you guys. Like, this is my first time trying this brand. I used their growth spray before, but this was my first time trying everything all together, and I absolutely love it. So I'm definitely going to keep you all updated, and thank you, Morie, for reaching out to me so that I could try these products. I had a blast using them. So that is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you check out the description box down below. That's where I put all of the links. Make sure you check out their website, Morie. I'll put it up on the screen right here, as well as in the description box down below. I'm sure you will find some products that you like. Also, let me know what are your favorite products for your hair, and I want to do more hair videos, so definitely let me know what products I should be checking out. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me as well as my brand Velux Princess, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I upload 3 days a week, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, and I will check you all out very soon. Bye, guys.